How do you add funny sounds to your videos? Really need your help. Okay guys, today on this video I am going to show you how to make your videos and you add funny sounds to it, just like this.
Oh my God!
Or like this.
I want to live soft life, no stress.
Yes, if you don't know how to do it, I am going to show you on this video. Maybe you have been seeing videos where like you see a video play and at some point you hear a very funny sound. You don't know how those people add those funny sounds to those videos. I am going to show you on this video. If you find it really useful and helpful to you, don't forget to click on that plus sign to follow me, like this video, comment what you want me to show you how to go about it, just as he did, and don't forget to share to others. Let's go as I show you. So guys, the first thing for you to do is you open to your CapCut. Make sure you download CapCut in your phone, and you also once you open to your CapCut, you're going to click on new project. Now once you click on new project, click on the video that you want to use. Okay, let me reduce the volume. Now once you click on the video you want to use, you tap on add. And now once you tap on add, looking at this video right here, now let's say that you want to add funny sounds in between this video. Now you start playing the video and then you listen to where you want the funny sound to appear. Okay, for example, now videos really need your help. Okay guys, today on this video I am going. Okay, let's say I want to add the funny sound here, like just where I said like this. You want to add it here, and now you click on this. As this line is like this, you click on audio and then you click sounds. Once you click on sounds, you are going to tap on this second one. Okay, you tap on this second one. Now you see extract audio from video. Now you have the funny videos you have downloaded to your phone gallery. Now you want to extract the audio, right? You click on extract audio from video, and now for example you want to use this one. Listen,
I don't want peace.
I want problems. You want to use this one. Click on this circle, you click add, and you have extracted it already, right? Now if you want to add another one, you come back to this extract audio from video. Let's say for example you pick this one. Okay, you tap extract. Now you want to use this sound. Now you just tap on this plus sign, and now this sound will automatically be inserted right here. Now play and listen. The part that you don't want, you chop it off.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Okay, now it has ended here. Now you can drag this place to come and end where you want it to end, and now just listen. And you add funny sounds to it, just like this.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
So I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to follow for more. Thank you. Love you.